Okay guys, I've ordered a triple mushroom Swiss. Okay guys, today it is very hot. Today it is very bright. I've ordered some fries and some and a Dr. Pepper of that. Okay guys, the triple mushroom Swiss does look pretty good too. Last time I ordered it was like a bacon burger. It wasn't really that great, but let's try out this one. The bread looks pretty good. The Swiss, and have some mushrooms in there. I've added 2 meat patties with that too. Once I bite into the burger, it has this like salty taste to it. Also, they have added some sauteed onions in there. Once you bite into the burger, you have to bite of the meat and the mushrooms and the bread. It's good. And you have this like chewy texture of the mushrooms. The fries are consistent. It does have like this garlic, taste to it, but I'm not really like a fan of it. Okay guys, I'm gonna give this one like a 2 out of 5. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. Okay guys, if you guys like this video, be sure to give a like and a subscribe. Okay guys, this is Creative Quest. See ya.